Welcome students, don't forget to subscribe. The slope-intercept form is a powerful tool in algebra that allows us to easily understand and graph linear equations. Let's dive into this captivating mathematical concept. So what is the slope-intercept form? The slope-intercept form of a linear equation is expressed as follows. So y is the dependent variable or the output of the equation. M is the slope of the line. This value tells us how steep the line is and the direction it's heading. Think of it as the line's personality. It can be bold and steep, or gentle and gradual. So this is the steepness. And this is the dependent variable. So x is the independent variable. Or sometimes called the input of the equation. And b is the y-intercept. So this is where the line crosses the y-axis. The slope-intercept form is incredibly useful for several reasons. For simplicity, it provides a straightforward way to write the equation of a line. Second, graphing ease. With just the slope and y-intercept, you can quickly sketch a line on a graph. And third, you can gain intuitive understanding. It offers insight into how changes in x affect y, helping to visualize relationships between variables. So basically x-y relationships. So how do we use it? How to use it to graph a linear equation. So let's say you're given the equation y equals 3x plus 2. In this case, m is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. And of course the x and the y are the variables. So let's graph the xy axis. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna plot the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is this one, is b. And this is the slope, m. So y, we're gonna plot it. So basically the y-intercept comes as follows. It comes as 0 because this is where the line touches the y axis and the x. Okay, so we're gonna plot 0, 2 first. Let's divide the graph into ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 0, 2. Then we're gonna apply the slope. So the slope says is 3, so it's 3 over 1. What that means is that you move up 3 units. Sometimes we call the slope m is the rise over the run. That means that whatever, so the rise is 3, and because there is no 1 underneath, we can just put it like that. So 3 units up and 1 unit to the right. So from the let's make this one more here. Okay, so 3 units up, 1, 2, 3, and 1 unit to the right, so it will be here. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to trace a line. Sometimes it's hard to, let me see 1 second. Let me see if I can find something better, something that I can use easier here. Okay, so remember, it's gonna be 3 units up and 1 unit to the right. So this point would be what? If would be the x would be 1, and then it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it would be 1, 5, and this would be 0, 2. So with this magical equation at your fingertips, you're ready to explore the fascinating world of linear relationships. Embrace the elegance of the slope-intercept form and let it guide you through the captivating landscape of algebra. Thank you very much, students. Don't forget to subscribe.